Welcome to our channel. Today we how to link UnitedHealthcare account with Apple Health, sync guide step by step clearly. Open the UnitedHealthcare app on your mobile device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the Settings or Accounts section. Select the option labeled Health Sync or Link with Apple Health. You might see an option to connect to Apple Health. Tap on that option to initiate the linking process. You may be prompted to grant permissions. Review the permissions being requested. If you agree, tap Allow or grant access. You might need to log in to your app. Once confirmed, return to the UnitedHealthcare app. Check for a confirmation message indicating the link was successful. To verify, open the Apple Health app on your device. Look for UnitedHealthcare data under the Sources section. Ensure that your activity data is syncing correctly. You can start tracking your health and fitness activities now. Monitor both apps for any updates or notifications. Enjoy the benefits of a synced health experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.